Naim, what are you doing?
Dadu. I'm working.
Really? Explain to me what you are doing.
I have learned about digital marketing and am earning money by working for companies in different countries. I am a freelancer.
Wow. It's very good. But how did you learn it?
I learned online at home.
How it's possible at home?
It's very easy. Please do admission complete at Future Ed Institute and start to learn at home.
I am interested for admission and you help me.
Yes, Dadu. You get lifetime help and support from the Future IT Institute, more than all time ready for help and support.
I am very happy and thank you. See you later. Now bye.
Okay, bye. Dadu. Hello, friends. I'm MD Naimul Islam. I'm working as a social media marketing virtual assistant for more than 3 years. I know how to manage a Pinterest/Instagram/Facebook/Twitter and engage in targeting an audience in an organic platform. I have excellent experience in driving traffic to the website through Pinterest/Instagram/Facebook/Twitter. Are you interested to learn to freelance? For more details, inbox me or call me. My contact number is 017721139990. Bye, friends. See you next video.